Hello everyone, welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome and then click on these three little dots from the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the left, click on default browser. Now from here, click on make default. Now you will land on the settings page of Windows 11. Now scroll down until you find Google Chrome. Here it is, and then click on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find HTTP and then click on it. Now select Google Chrome and then click on OK. And as you can see, both HTTP and HTTPS changed to Google Chrome, and we are basically done. And if we go to our Google Chrome browser now, you can see that Google Chrome is your default browser. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe.